Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on RHEL 10. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version from this list. See here we have the 8.0.43. If you are unable to find the version here, you have to click on archives. Okay, select the version. Then select the operating system, Red Hat Linux or Oracle Linux. See here we don't have the 10, but select the 9. Then see here once you selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. So instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Then we will untar the star file and we will install it. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to download, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL tar file. We have to untar it. tar -xf, then give MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages we have to install. Control A. So install them, sudo rpm-ivh-no deps, then star.rpm. What this command will do, it will install all RPM packages, and -no deps means no dependencies, and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. It is type of sudo systemctl start MySQL D. We have successfully started. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. Okay, Q to quit, Control A. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the MySQL user account. So we don't have the password of any MySQL user account. Then the solution is we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to more/var log MySQL D. Then grep password. So, okay, we have to give sudo. See, this is the MySQL user temporary password. Okay, this is not same for you. Okay, let's set MySQL root account user password permanently. Sudo secure MySQL _secure installation. Hit enter. Then we have to provide this password. So copy it. As I told you, this is not same for you. We may get different password. Paste it. Hit enter. See, the existing password for the user account root has expired. Please set a new password. So provide the password. Remember this password. Later we need this password. Change password for root. No. And users. Yes. No. Remove tested database. Yes. Reload villages. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-e. Then provide the password of this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. We can also verify the same by running the select version. See, you got the same version number. Okay, Control A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database back. Verify again. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify list of tables, show tables. See, it is empty because we don't have any tables. Okay, now create a table. Create table customer. See, See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Let us verify. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. First verify list of users, show users. This won't work. Okay, we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Control A. Now create user. Create user David identified by, provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Verify again. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. Fit, then MySQL -u, then new username is David -p, then provide the password. Whatever is there in singular quotes, it is the password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in to the MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Control L. Now exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on RHEL 10. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, Q to git control L. You can also try to connect to MySQL server for the confirmation. See, cannot connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 1 second ago. Q to git control L. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is restarted. Okay, control L. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench and DBR on RHEL operating systems. Then we can connect. Else we have successfully installed. So these RPM files are not required anymore. So remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. Ls, see here we have the tar file. Remove it also. Rm MySQL. Press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on RHEL 10. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.